Hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Kelly and today I want to share with you this soft, glowy and dreamy spring makeup look. Totally fairy core approved, but everyday wearable. I'm gonna use some of my current favorite products along with these adorable products I received from FlowerKnows that I can't wait to try out. So let's get right into it. Starting with the L'Oreal Nude Skin Tint. I'm obsessed with this because it's super lightweight, evens out the skin and gives that your skin a better finish. I'm applying it with my finger first, then go over with a damp beauty sponge. This helps it melt in and keeps it looking very natural. You can totally use a brush if you want more coverage. I just want a very thin layer. Now I'm going in with the ShiseidoSynchro Skin Safe Refreshing Concealer to conceal my under eye circles and spot conceal where needed. This one flexes with your skin and never cakes, which is a must for springtime. I also blend it out using my finger, then the damp beauty sponge. Both the skin tint and concealer I use today are self-setting, so I can skip the setting powder and avoid looking powdery. For brows, I'm keeping it soft with the Kosas Brow Pop Nano Ultra Fine Eyebrow Pencil. This has a tiniest tip, so you can really mimic the hair strokes. I love how it adds definition without looking too done. After filling in, I'm brushing through with a spoolie to blend everything in. Next, I'm adding some warmth with the Rare Beauty Warm Wishes Effortless Cream Bronzer Stick. I'm using shade Good Energy. I'm putting some on the back of my hand. Use a dense brush to blend out and pick up product at the same time, then apply it on my face. Using a dense brush helps diffuse cream bronzer beautifully while keeping control over placement. It blends light better and gives that soft sculpt without any harsh lines. For blush, I'm using the FlowerKnows Strawberry Cupid All Day Glow Liquid Blush in S03 Pink Gemstone. I'm using the same technique I use with the bronzer, as it will give the best results with cream and liquid products. This liquid blush is very pigmented but easy to blend. You can build up the color without lifting up products underneath. And the color is super cute for spring. Moving on to eyes, I'm gonna prep my lids with the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion first. Then I'm gonna use this beautiful butterfly cloud color embossed 6-color makeup palette from FlowerKnows to create today's eye makeup. This is 02 Cloud Attire. I'm using this soft pink to blend out the crease with a fluffy brush. Then I'm putting this shade on the outer V with a more precise brush. Then I'm blending the edges so there's no harsh lines. I'm just keeping everything light and soft. After that, I'm layering some shimmer across the lid. This shade's absolutely perfect for a dreamy spring vibe. Then I'm using the black shade to create tiny wing liner, and we are almost done with the eyes. This palette is everything. The packaging and the embossing are magical, and the shades are pigmented, blend out and build up very easily. Now let's finish up the eyes with mascara. This is FlowerKnows Butterfly Cloud Color Mascara. Not only is this mascara so cute, but it also totally works for my Asian lashes. It's long-lasting, no smudge, waterproof, doesn't clump, and comes in a pretty package. What can I ask for more? This might be my new favorite mascara. For extra glow, I'm gonna use the FlowerKnows Midsummer Fairy Tales Liquid Highlighter in 01 Moonlight Swing. This is a liquid highlighter with a pearly glow, just like fairy dust in a bottle. It might look a bit too much when I first swatch it, but after blending out, it looks very lovely. It's a bit tricky to apply though, because when it dries down, it won't move. I have to work fast. I'm using my finger to apply and blend out, then use a brush to soften the edges and blend everything together seamlessly. It has a very wet texture, so you should use very light pressure to apply. You can also use it as an eye topper. You can go soft or build up for a more dramatic effect. For lips, I'm using this Violet Strawberry Rococo Glowy Lip Gloss, also from FlowerKnows, in shade G03 Berry Bomb. It's a sheer pink with lilac shimmer that sparkles in the light, and it goes so well with the eye makeup. This feels like a lip oil but looks like a gloss. Doesn't feel sticky at all, very comfortable to wear. Lastly, I'm just locking it all in with the Milani Make It Last setting spray. It keeps everything fresh and glowy. And that's it for this soft, glowy spring look. I'm seriously in love with how fresh and youthful this feels. Thank FlowerKnows for the opportunity to share those lovely products with my viewers. If you're still wondering whether FlowerKnows is all packaging, rest assured it's not. FlowerKnows doesn't just look stunning on your vanity, but it's a luxury fantasy makeup that actually delivers. If you wanna buy their products, please check out the description box below and let me know which product you're most excited to try. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.